Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to make the best coleslaw without mayonnaise, so stay tuned. If you have never made a coleslaw, then this will be a perfect recipe for you to start with. So I will be using cabbage. The first thing for me to do is slice my cabbage. Make sure to cut your cabbage in small slices. After slicing the cabbage, I will go ahead and put it in a big bowl. Then I will grate my carrots. I will be using just 1 carrot for this recipe because you don't want to have too much carrots in your coleslaw, except you want it to be like that. Next up is coriander. I will go ahead and slice my coriander just to add a little bit of color into our coleslaw. Then I will add into the bowl and mix everything together. Because we will not be using the typical mayonnaise cream, I will go ahead and mix my cream. So I will be using some olive oil, vinegar, brown sugar, salt, mustard, and black pepper. I will just go on and mix everything together into a smooth consistency. At this point, my cream is ready. I'll just go on and pour it into the vegetable bowl and then mix everything together. If you are enjoying this video and you like the recipe, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done so for more recipes. Now that our coleslaw is ready, I will just go on and serve it. So that is just it, how to make coleslaw without mayonnaise. Very simple and easy. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you like the recipe. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.